game is this called?
Murder Mystery 2!
I am innocent.
Dude, you really forgot the game name. I'm innocent also.
I'm suspicious of this boy. I'm suspicious.
Then go away from him. Go. Oh, this boy in blonde.
That's who I was suspicious of. Totally. That was totally who I was suspicious of. What happened?
His body disintegrated.
Bro, this dude ain't God. This dude ain't God.
Who's God?
Look at the sheriff. Look at the sheriff. Look at his username. Bro, he's not God.
God Lord Xavier. Oh.
Xavier ain't Lord.
Xavier. There's no Lord that's named Xavier. And if you call yourself God Lord Xavier, you're not a Lord. You're still a normal human being. If
I
you're
know,
a
right?
Lord, then how are you alive? You're supposed to be in the skies with Jesus.
I am innocent. Yeah.
I'm innocent also.
How do I slow
Rama.
walk on PC?
Rama, this is where you hide in the sink.
Suspicious.
Well, I'm suspicious I'm suspicious of Slenderman.
Slenderman.
Or that
Kalbo.
nope.
It's that
Someone
bacon.
just
That bacon is the one that I was suspicious of.
oh my god, I was looking at the wrong way. You're
I knew,
not.
bro. I knew it.
Okay.
I was so suspicious of him.
So everything you're suspicious of is like
It's real.
I'm speculating. Okay, so he's going after a girl. If you see a girl, a bacon girl, then oh I just saw you.
Oh, can you tell me where the
Okay,
gun is?
what?
Can you tell me where the gun?
Oh shit. Wait. Okay, it's in the bathroom. It's in the bathroom. Why'd you scream like that?
He's invisible.
He wasn't invisible. He was in the bath. He was in the bathroom.
So he's a camper. If he's in the bathroom, that's where the gun was. He's a camper.
Now it's because he just killed her. He just killed the sheriff and then I was about to say it and then I said it, but now you're already dead because I saw him kill the sheriff.
That's your fault.
Like right now. How is it my fault? It was
But
your
it's too
fault.
late.
I was you were literally saying nothing about going to the bathroom yet. How is it my fault?
Lol. Lol.
Oh wait, I got a new gun.
What is it?
Carrot.
What?
Carrot.
What's that?
Dude, carrot. The vegetable.
Oh, I don't got that.
Easter egg. Get it from the Easter egg bunny.
I don't know how to get that. I don't got no money. Please give me money.
No, not money. Not money. Eggs. You gotta collect eggs.
Someone texted me. I think.
Come on, don't go AFK.
Oh, it's Zaf.
Huh?
It's Zaf.
Ah, okay. What are you?
I'm innocent.
You sure? Let's see. You get your gun. Or gun. Or slash.
I don't got nothing. Bro,
No, I'm gonna kill you.
why is this?
Oh.
Oh.
In, wait. Oh my god. What's it?
Oh.
Who? The girly. A chupi.
Bro, why are you blocking my way? Why can't
Uh-oh.
stand Zaf? You keep keeps messaging me.
Oh, no. Where's the woman? Where's the woman? Darn it, almost!
Everyone should die.
Bro, I died.
Okay, let me jump back down. Is she camping?
Bro, how wait. How am I lagging? Oh, let me see. He's not. That's where I died. Did you get the gun? Let's go. Okay, okay. He's up. He's going down. Oh, shit. Oh, no. Oh, no, Robert. No, no. Goofy killer seed. Horror seed.
I asked Zach if he wants to join the vid.
Yes. Wait, what? Can do I ask Zach if he wanna join the vid?
No, I said I did.
Oh, okay. So is he joining? Good. Is he joining or not?
I don't know.
Pro silent? Pro is silent. Dude, I got a rare egg toy.
No!
Love, I got a rare egg toy.
I don't care.
Delulu. Delulu. Delirios.
Bro, let me tell him to join call.
Furnace. Why they say furnace like that, dude? Furnace. Innocent.
Thanks, you can
You?
talk now.
You are you innocent?
Yeah? What am I
Okay.
saying, bro? Are you deaf?
Dude, you said nothing. Your mic glitch.
Bro, viewers can you're just deaf, bro. Viewers can literally hear my voice and you can't. Yo,
Oh,
Zach,
Zach!
you want to join the vid now? Join us.
Oh,
Don't lie, okay? Don't lie. We gotta tell our role. Don't lie. We don't lie. Alright? No lying, okay?
oh my God! Look, Sophia battle.
Zach,
Bro,
if you lie about your role, we are gonna leave.
bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro.
But yeah, we not gonna lie too.
Then join,
I am joining, bro.
bruh.
Zian, stop holding that.
And
If you hold that, we are
what?
not the same.
Na 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 na
Bro,
na,
claim is
na.
from Easter Egg Bunny. Click on the rare eggs.
What do you
Hasta la
mean?
vista,
Rare
baby.
eggs?
There's a button that shows a glitch egg and then says rare egg.
I got the computer
My
I got the furnace and the detective egg.
innocent.
Murderer, murderer.
I got
Oh!
Darium.
Don't kill us.
Dude, I'm
Oh,
innocent.
you're so wise.
Bro, I don't lie. I am innocent. I don't lie. I am innocent.
Yeah, me too.
No.
Please give me
Dang.
the gun. I am way good murderer. Sheriff.
No. No.
The sheriff is the bacon that's not actually a bacon.
Whoa,
Hmm.
bro.
It's down there.
Zach, I almost killed you, not gonna lie.
Yeah,
Bro,
you automatically
I'm a
kills
white
people.
one.
People are up there.
Two.
People are up here.
What?
Did you kill the sheriff? Did you kill the sheriff?
No.
I'm sorry. You are in the way.
What do you mean I was in the way?
The girl
Damn.
is behind you. So I had to kill her, but I hit you.
What do you mean?
Damn.
Bro, don't you understand what I just said? We're both English. Why don't you understand what I'm saying?
Damn. Damn.
Jesus Christ.
Rama.
Okay. Zap, get the gun over here. Bottom, get the gun over here. Bottom. We're gonna
Bro.
1v1.
Zach gonna lose his bad aim. Zach,
Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Fight.
No.
Fight. We got to fight.
Hell no.
I told you his bad aim.
No.
Bro. I was a bad thing, you know.
I know. Remember that time I got a private server here and you kept shooting at me?
What?
Nah.
What
I
are
saw.
you saying? Liam, translate.
I don't know.
Translate.
But sama
Why did you go to the murderer?
What?
She said, why did you go close to the murderer?
No.
The tatakbo is I'm gonna
Fortnite?
run
Battle Fortnite?
and then follow me.
Macaroni.
Believe.
Yeah, dude. Zap.
What you want?
Make sure avatar to ano.
No, I'm innocent. I'm innocent. I'm
Murderer.
innocent.
I am
I'm
murderer.
innocent.
I am
Innocent.
murderer.
Bro, I don't want to change my avatar.
If me and Zach are the last one, you can kill me, okay? Me and Zach are the last one.
Did I
Hasta la
scare
vista,
you?
baby.
Did I
I
scare
follow you.
Oh look, I found
Oh, my
someone.
ball.
Me and Rama are gonna 1v1. Rama,
Okay.
1v1
Dang.
right now or later?
Hey, what you trying to do?
Nothing. I was doing
Bro,
nothing.
what bro trying to do? Hey, bro, watch out. Watch out. Hey, bro.
Bro, I
Yo, yeah. Watch out. There's
Among Us
Rama, Rama, Rama. Watch out. There are spies. There are spies. Rama, watch out.
Stupid.
Hi guys, for today's video, I'm trading my slash for wavy gun.
Nice.
It's this bacon. It's Attic in him. Oh,
Sorry! You ate my win!
Bro, what did I do?
dude, why'd you kill Zach? Wait, Zach? Why'd you kill Zach? You already killed the bacon, but you really had to kill him?
Bro, what did I do?
Wait,
What
someone
did I
did
do,
that.
bro?
Oh, we aren't even the last.
Nah, I see scammers. I see scammers.
Oh,
I see scammers.
inside. Go to the place where you like. Wait, I'm gonna lead you. Right, left. No. Wait, go back. Not that way. Not that way, bro. Rama, go back.
Where?
Right,
Yeah.
go right.
Y'all,
Right again,
y'all, I see.
and then left.
Y'all, guys, I see scammers.
Yeah.
Boys,
Hammers.
I see scammers.
Oh, scammer.
Scammers. Legit scammers.
Legit scam.
Bro, who is this?
Who?
Rama. Rank. No.
Yes.
If you don't live.
Oh, can you stop? Can you stop revealing our YouTube channel? We're not famous.
Bro,
Yeah.
I didn't even see that. Oh my god.
Not famous.
Bro, bro, bull.
I am
What are
guilty.
you?
I am innocent.
I got 10. I'm so unlucky.
I'm innocent.
I got innocent.
Yeah,
Bro,
I'm
no
innocent
cap. I'm
also. All of us are innocent. Wait. Hey,
Yes, was.
let's go. We won.
That one.
innocent.
Wait. Imagine that the sheriff that round, the sheriff in that round, got so mad
Oh,
because he didn't get to shoot anyone.
that's mine.
No.
That's mine. That's the gun I was saying, carrot.
I don't get that.
That's nine victories. Nine sheriff
Cap.
victories, actually.
Cap. I see
I only need. I
scammers.
only
Egg.
need. I only need
You.
70 eggs.
Egg. Brick egg.
70
Brick
eggs.
egg.
I only need
I
70
see
Dude,
eggs.
what are you
scammers.
doing?
Guys, I was playing Eevee. I met a TikToker. And then,
So I don't need to know that.
okay,
Same.
why are you?
What
I got
kind of...
innocent.
Murderer.
I'm innocent.
Damn, bro.
Okay, so you already killed me. You already killed me and Zaf. So, we're gonna 1v1 Rama, and Zaf is just gonna watch us.
He's
Bet.
gonna confirm. He's gonna confirm.
Hey, what? Oh my god.
He's gonna confirm
Bro,
if we're the last.
bro, why'd you kill me? For no reason. My god.
Get the gun, Liam. Get the gun.
Okay, don't kill me. Don't kill me. Don't kill
Gun
me.
over there. Gun
Okay,
over there.
check if we're the last one. I'm checking over here. Go check over there.
Nah, I'm a spectate, y'all. I'm a spectate. There's another player. Last one.
Where?
Hacker moment, bro. Hacker moment. Oh wait, no. It's not hacker moment. It's like a secret place.
Oh, the TV.
Wait, gun. Yeah, TV.
Rama, let's go. Go inside. Go to the bottom, and then kill him in the TV.
Oh, he's in
Yeah,
the...
TV. He's in a TV. Hasta la vista, babe.
Okay.
Okay, is he
Not
dead?
yet. We gotta go to the middle.
Yeah. We gotta choose our hiding spots.
Okay.
I'm choosing over
hiding
here.
spot. I'm in my hiding spot. You ready?
Yes. 3, 2, 1, go.
No. No.
Oh, exploded. My heart exploded.
Ding!
Now my chest hurts. Oh my god. My chest
Yay!
I breathe. Oh my.
I just screamed to jump scare you.
Stop, I have better one.
I don't care.
Flexing. Stop flexing on me. Oh, hello.
Dude, we're not
LGBT.
on you. Wait,
Bro,
wait.
this
Hey,
is
boys.
Wait.
LGBT egg. LGBT egg. Here's my
It is fine.
back on. I saw back on.
Oh,
I'm
hey,
innocent. I'm
I got
innocent.
innocent.
I'm innocent, bro. We're so unlucky. This call
Friend.
is get ano.
Kumelele,
The
kumelele.
skeleton is a murderer. The skeleton is the murderer.
Don't think the guy
Kumala
wants
sa
the
bis.
sheriff dies because I am good aim. If I die, Liam takes it. If Liam dies, Zach takes it. Wow, that's bacon!
No. You bad. You trash. Hey, what's moment, bro? Bro, big hitbox.
He got big hitbox.
Yes, hitbox.
Easy.
Wait, y'all got gun? Do y'all got gun?
No, we don't
Nope.
have guns.
Wait, I think people are team here. I think people are team here.
The round was only 30 seconds or 29
Wait,
seconds.
wait. Let me talk. Someone is saying someone is hacking. Who's hacking?
I think this guy. I think this guy because big hitbox. Bro, they're teaming. Gamers.
What do you mean
The
teamers?
girl
We're
and
literally teaming.
the girl and the bacon?
Yeah.
Oh,
Bro, we are literally teamers. What? Why are you saying that?
They are still teaming.
I am innocent.
Same. I'm gonna start a fight and win.
Liam, are you
I'm gonna
murderer?
start a
Liam, are you murderer?
oh, Rama.
Are
Is
you?
the girl a hacker? Because I just saw a girl standing like this and then fell in the floor. Ano?
She might be lag.
Yan! Yan! Yan, wanna know something?
What? Are you
When Liam was
serious?
moving, I saw a girl lying here. She was sleeping.
Oh,
Oh,
I'm
that's
gonna
lag.
show you.
it's the girl. It's the girl in red.
No! No!
What?
No! Banga!
This is the hacker. This is the
No!
hacker. This is the hacker. Assassin Fire.
No!
Oh,
No! Bro couldn't even hit me 2 times. She missed 2 times. But
where
I
I'm gonna
died.
Bro, ice wave is being hitbox. She is using ice wave.
Bro, you mean she?
Yes, she's using ice wave.
I only had 355 eggs.
should I translate what they're saying?
No.
Yes. Translate it.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Just one. Just one. Just one. I just translate one.
One.
Okay, so the assassin tayo move. Let's assassin. So they're probably gonna assassin us
Okay, babe.
because we're teaming and they're teaming. So teamers versus teamers. 3v2,
Teamers.
3v2, 3v2. But the
3v2?
two of them are hackers and I'm a hacker also.
You're not hacking.
Bro,
You're just exploiting.
What?
Hey, Yal.
Uh,
Yal,
I'm
if this
going.
gets to TSB, they're destroyed.
What?
If this gets to TSBG, they're destroyed.
I want to be
2v1
famous.
is
I want to be famous.
what? You mean?
I am
Wow,
murderer.
innocent.
I am murderer.
I'm sheriff.
Nice.
I'm sheriff.
Are you sure?
Twin. Okay, Rama, kill the teamers first. Kill the teamers first.
Bet.
Yal,
Can you
Fine,
see
I am
fine.
not.
Oh, oh yeah, that's a tamer.
Yo, get the bacon. GM hotdog. I mean, GM,
Oh, there you are.
bot. I don't know. Bro, I don't know. Bro.
Bobby! Bobby!
I'm
Okay,
gonna
we're
back her way.
swing.
I'm gonna back her. Coming.
Die.
Oh,
Huh?
yeah. Win. Move. Dang.
Zap, get the gun.
Where's the gun?
Give
Oh
your
my
child
god,
it.
someone took it.
Man.
I killed him.
Nice. Protect the gun.
Okay.
Bro, where's the gun?
Ah, Zap, you ran past Rama.
Behind you, Zach.
Oh.
Not there.
Oh.
There. Okay, you got
Got
it
it.
up. Okay. Kill everybody and then 1v1.
Yes.
How do I kill anybody? I am sheriff.
You laggy? Do you lag when you shoot?
Yeah. He lags.
Nah, I'm not bad, but I am bad aim. You know.
Oh, you're not lagging, but the only thing you're
Last ones.
you're
Are we
not
the last
lagging, but
ones?
you're
Beacon.
Liam,
I'm
are we the
following
last?
beacon.
Are we the last?
The beacon used the teleporter.
Oh,
okay.
Liam.
There's
Wait.
There's two bacons.
There are 2 beacons.
One
Oh,
fat and one normal.
no, there's other here. Rama, other beacon is here.
Yeah, I see. I'm chasing the other bacon.
Oh,
Okay, the
okay.
bacon is sitting in one place. I have been.
No, go to right.
Go
No,
down, Rama, go down, and then Rama, go back. Okay, not go to left.
Wait for the teleporter, bro. Wait, It went to the teleporter, I think, or no? I don't know.
Throw a knife. Okay, so there's the last one. The main, oh darn it. He's going for the teleporter. He's teleporting. He's teleporting. He's
Chill.
teleported. Now he's in the pool. He's in the pool. He's in the pool. Go to the pool.
Fine. I
Rama,
don't need the minigame.
he's in the pool. Nice. Okay, now 1v1, 1v1. Zap.
Zap, start now. Zap.
I go.
Run. Wait, Zap, run.
You mean?
It already started.
No.
Where are you?
You
So
don't
Zap,
need to know. You don't need to know.
he was in the pool.
How they win?
Go.
What?
Oh.
How they win?
The
What?
timer end.
Oh, so I am timer guy, I guess.
You are lucky I shouldn't have killed you.
Bro! Hey bro, Liam, wanna see something?
Sure. Wait, Zap. The power of friendships.
What?
The power of friendship. We're gonna fly.
No. You mean
Dude, you don't know?
I'm innocent.
I got murderer? I got murderer.
I'm innocent.
Okay, Zap,
I
tell
got
me once
murderer.
Zap, do you
the
know how
sheriff.
to throw knife?
Tell me once you kill the sheriff.
What?
Do you know how to
Okay.
throw knife?
Yes, I know.
Okay.
I don't
Kill
know.
that bacon. Kill that bacon.
Okay.
Who bacon?
That bacon.
Oh,
Oh,
oh
Says
now.
you can be. Come here.
Zap,
What?
if he's the last one, don't kill Rama. Because if I die, then Rama's next at 1v1ing you.
No. Get running. Come here, boy. Nah, I don't know how to use murderer. Actually.
Liam. Liam.
If you kill
Why?
me, I'll kill you.
Liam.
Why should I?
If you really kill me, then you're dead to me.
Don't
Why?
Wait, does Zap even know who's who?
Yeah, no. Don't know who's who. I'm
Hello.
hiding in the sink. I'm gonna hide in the sink.
Easy.
I'm hiding in the kitchen actually.
Zap.
Oh, I see
What?
someone. I found someone.
Where?
Come here,
Oh.
over here. She's in the kitchen.
Boom!
Oh, shoot.
I sniped him.
Nice.
I mean, bro, where's the What? Bro, where are you?
Rama,
Are you?
follow me.
Why?
If I die to Zap, then you get the gun and then y'all 1v1.
How
Because we're
much time
triple.
is left?
I don't know.
It's above your screen.
No, it's not. On mobile, it's not.
Oh.
Bro, it's fun.
Zap, let's just 1v1. Let's just 1v1. If I die, then Rama gets the gun and then y'all 1v1 again.
Yeah.
Bro, where are you? Oh.
Kill
Got
him. Zach, if you kill him, I will give you extra money at school.
nice. Okay, Rama, get the gun. Now y'all 1v1.
Okay, let me have the gun.
I
now.
won.
Alright,
You haven't won. You haven't won yet.
Start the 1v1 now.
Bro, I don't
Now, start.
He's going behind you, Rama. Never mind. He's going in front of you.
What the shit? I don't know how.
I was so lag.
No,
So lag.
you're just saying you're lagging, but you're not.
Yeah, I have bad team.
Shooting at me.
I'm only good with murderer, not sheriff.
Bro, what?
I know. It's because you can throw knives. And I'm good at sheriff and murderer.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, Rama.
I am
No,
both.
Zach, the power of friendship. The power of friendship. Go, walk slowly. Walk slowly. Walk slowly to me. We're gonna fly. Darn it, almost. Darn it. Bro, this Zach. Bro, what? Am I
I
just
got
called?
sheriff. I got
Wait,
sheriff.
let me talk. Am I just called Zach Whiteman?
Bro,
Okay, I'm
I have
murderer. I'm murderer.
Kill the
We got
teamers. Kill
we
those
got the three
teamers.
roles. Okay. Zaf, don't kill me yet. Zaf, don't kill me yet.
For MM2
I
is way
won't. I
better
won't. I
than
won't.
friends. MM2 way better than friends.
Don't mind me. I'm protecting things. Don't mind me, okay?
Yeah, me
Hey, yo, chill.
Hey,
Yo!
you were in my way, Rama. Get the gun.
Get the gun, Rama. I'm spectating thing.
God.
I mean, spectating every move you do.
Stop.
Spectating. Give me extra money.
I will give you 30 peso. Then I only have 20 peso.
Okay,
Bruh.
Zaf,
Who last?
who's the last?
Tanjiro, Tanjiro. No one else. It's just you two.
Okay, let's go.
1v1.
Rama. Fight. Fight right now.
1v1.
Okay, we start now.
Yes, right now. Go.
Rama, you. Oh my god. Whoa! Yo! Yo, look at the chat. Look at the chat.
Let me turn down my
Look at the
graphics.
chat.
Let me turn
Yeah,
down
look at
my
the chat.
graphics.
Bro, hey yo. Bro, got the
Hey, yo! There.
I'm lagging. I tell you, I'm lagging.
Bro, they became teamers to online daters, bro.
Can you see me? I'm literally lagging.
Very.
I'm lagging so much.
Very.
Naging empty. Very hard fun.
Live.
Bro,
Bro,
I'm
happy
lagging
now.
I'm lagging so
Bro,
badly.
you're just floating in the air. Wait, tower. Oh.
Liam, jump on my head.
I got my daughter.
Oh,
Yay.
I'm the sheriff. Please me throat.
Innocent. I'm innocent. I'm
Medium.
innocent.
Okay, don't kill me yet, Zaf. Don't kill me yet. I'm just gonna stay on top. So you call
I
so
won't.
you don't kill me.
Zach, you better not kill me. I'm gonna grind eggs so that I can get that egg.
Move. Bro, come here.
Hey, that blonde girl. She literally blocked my way of getting up.
I'm gonna optimize. Yo,
No, I shot the floor on the top, the very top, the Mount Everest top floor. I need a new, I need a new, I need a new rare egg.
Yeah, me too.
We need a max, I need a max win.
My egg basket is
yo,
already
who's that
full.
one?
Okay, bacon, middle.
Come here, boy.
Tell me
Get
if Liam
up.
dies. Tell me if Liam
Don't you dare.
dies.
Don't you dare run.
Wait, Rama, did
Yo.
you die?
No, tell me if Liam dies.
Bro, I can't find the last one. I think where he... Bro.
Maybe y'all are the last one.
Yeah, okay,
Oh,
let's
Liam.
go.
Bro, mid.
Future, so I'm not in mid.
Wait, Rama, do we fight now?
Yeah, y'all fight now. Y'all fight now.
Okay. Oh, girl, we're gonna. Okay, fight now.
Okay. Bro, where the heck are you?
My coin bag is
Dude.
full. Liam,
Look,
Liam, you almost shot me to death. Once I stopped moving, you shot at the spot I was going to.
If I hit you, then I would be mad.
Yeah, because you would die.
Yeah.
I prefer long distance battles. No, you're going towards me!
Zaf, that's
Oh, I know! I know! Nah, GG.
You almost killed me.
Bro! Yan ang the same mamatay, idiot. Oh my god.
Rama, if we're 1v1ing, hold an egg.
Okay.
If we're 1v1ing, hold an egg so Zaf knows that I'm not him.
Use the carrot gun. Use the carrot gun.
Carrot gun? Okay.
Yes.
Yan, I made the girl rage quit. Cause
What? How?
I said, marry him. And start a farm. I made her rage quit. The elite person.
Bro said broski.
Yeah, of course, man.
Let's see if I'm murderer or sheriff. And you said,
And you are.
我得长袖挂上去，挂上去。
Wow.
Innocent.
Info.
Innocent?
not
All of us
hello.
innocent?
Yeah, all of us innocent.
I don't know. Who are you? I can't tell.
I'm
Oh. Okay.
I'm sitting
mind
on
me.
the couch. I'm sitting on the couch.
I'm gonna sit there.
Bro,
Someone
don't
just
mind
died.
me.
If you see me or Rama, look at the gun, and if it's orange, that's me. Wait, Rama.
Mine's orange too.
Yan. Don't kill me. I'm holding a yellow egg.
That's not yellow. That's rainbow, stupid.
I'm
You mean?
holding a red egg. Who died?
What? Hacker.
Who's hacker?
Bacon is hacking.
The what? Who?
You know. You thought.
Oh, who is hacking?
I
Murderer
don't
is
know.
chasing us. Murderer is chasing us.
No, he's not now. He's not now. He's going backwards.
I think I know who the murderer is.
It's the bacon. Are you blind?
Oh my god, what the frick?
Bro, why that? Oh my god. Yan. Oh,
This girl inside the roof.
The gun? Who got the gun?
I found the gun.
Now,
yan.
I got
shoot him. Now, let's go.
Double
This bacon
no.
girl is hacking. She's teleporting everywhere. This bacon girl is hacking.
He's spinning like a spin fun.
Tanjiro, I killed you.
On the island.
And I'm just trying to find.
We rich.
Girl, you ain't desire. You array this, sir.
I require.
Array the sir. Array the sire.
You're
You're all I
alright.
require.
On the god. Oh, thank you.
Woo!
I got you.
I got innocent.
Sheriff.
Tell me once you die, I'll get the
Damn.
gun. Zach, don't steal the gun from me, please.
Wait,
I
who's
will.
the murder? Are y'all the murder?
No.
I didn't hear.
No, bro.
You're innocent.
I said I'm innocent. Why don't you
Look at
believe
Bacon,
me?
he's
You're not us.
He's hacking.
Bro, it's because I checked the time. I was
Why
so
did you
focused.
hacker?
Liam, tell me once you die. Liam, tell me once you die. I need the gun.
Is he
And
not the
Zach,
nerd?
Zach, don't steal the gun from me.
Wait, that's the
You
nerd?
We don't know.
Wait. Bro, I don't know what's her user.
You said
Chaser.
bacon.
Hatcher.
Animal lover.
Red.
Did you just
Okay.
die?
Animal.
Stop. I got a gun
I'm
now.
finna.
I want the gun.
Yeah.
They are...
Charge my dad's phone, so bye. I'm gonna go on my original.
No! Don't steal
Why
my
just
gun!
scream like? Ooh, gun.
No!
We said burning eyes.
No, don't steal the gun from me. Don't steal the gun. Don't get the gun. I'll get it.
Oh, no, I found demons.
Where? I got 12.
Okay, bet.
I killed.
I'm playing a different game. I'm playing a different game. I'm playing a different game.
Rama, should I steal a gun?
Yeah, you guys, I'm playing a different game.
Damn! I'm gonna
Y'all
die.
did you get the gun or no?
I'm playing a different game, bro. I got this murderer hacking. Murderer hacking.
I killed the hacker. What you mean?
The murderer is hacking.
I killed the girl that was hacking. Wasn't that the hacker?
I'm out there.
Framing that good for hacking.
Y'all wanna play
Point?
another game?
Y'all want to play Breaking Point?
What
Oh,
y'all wanna
no.
play?
Dude, I'm on my phone. I'm trash at breaking point. Like I'm too trash. Like super trash.
How about
Okay.
Recode? I got a private server, remember?
Yeah.
That
Y'all
Tag.
2v1 me, y'all.
Bro, who keeps
dude,
challenging?
I can't handle that game.
Why?
Bro, how about
Why can't you handle it? Oh, how about
why bro
Jujutsu
cannot handle?
shenanigans? Jujutsu shenanigans.
Okay, I join. Bro, I can't tell which is Rama.
Join me. I'm gonna go in my private server.
Okay. Bro, I can't. Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm joining.
Okay. Yeah.
Private server plus for free. Free.
Hey. Wait, you got gifted or something?
No, it's for free.
Amen.
Yeah.
Man.
Private server plus is for free.
Bro, where are you?
Bro, I gotta stop recording. I can't click the private server plus thing. I gotta stop recording. Bye bye guys. That's the
Okay,
end
bye.
for